Hey everybody, it's your girl Winter Slays here. Today I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be me doing my makeup for a girls' night out because tomorrow's New Year's. We're just doing an early celebration. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment down below what videos you guys would like to see from me in the new year. So yeah.
Know what you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go on now, do what you do, that's why I'm honest in my love with you. I won't leave you any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Make my heart speak, leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got to show you that you really be. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is mine, oh yeah. You give me a really good feeling, oh yeah. Your love is mine, yeah. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Alright, so I'm done with the makeup. On to the hair. So I'm just doing 2 slick buns. As you can see, I already slicked my hair back. Hopefully it turned out right. Yeah. And I braided it down so the hair wasn't left out. And I'm just gonna wrap it. Be right back. I'll be back. Oh, where's Dave? Yeah. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done with my outfit and I'll show you guys the final look. Alright, I just wanted to come back and show you guys my outfit and finish getting dressed. Also, so this is just I'll post the pictures here. The long dress from Pretty Little Things. The black bralette is from Torrid. This makes up a little bit. And my fragrance for tonight is the Black Opium. I love this one. It's my favorite YSL perfume. Then I also want to pair it with these glasses. And then, I don't have no earrings, so I bought some earrings yesterday from City Trends. So shout out to City Trends. just bought some of these because I don't like to wear hoops for some reason. I feel like it makes my ear look uneven. My earring look uneven. So I'm just gonna go with the squares. The squares just give timeless to me. And I don't have a necklace. I'm not really a necklace type of girl. Unless it's like a chain, long chain. Oh. And for the shoes, because I'm not a heels girl, because I was postpartum, so it's not trying to wear motherfucking heels. And I fall hurt myself. So I'm gonna wear like the little Balenciaga inspired runners. But yeah. And for the purse, I don't know what purse yet. Probably my Gucci purse, or maybe just like my little gray crossbody. So, alright guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's cheeky_international. And it will also be down below in the description box. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.